Hi everyone, welcome back. Tonight's video is actually a viewer suggestion. A little while ago I did a video where I made a small boring bar, carbide insert boring bar for my boring head, and I did comment on the video that the grub screws were marring up the surface of the boring bar sleeve that I'd made, but it actually happens on the carbide boring bars that came with it as well. So the viewer suggestion was to use some strimmer twine, push a bit of that into the end of the grub screw, so you effectively have a nylon end. So these are M8 grub screws, 8mm, and this is the strimmer cord that I've got, which is about 3mm diameter. It's a bit ovalised where it's been cut, but shouldn't be a problem. So the idea is to bore a hole into the end of there, possibly slightly undersized, and press a short section of that in and cut it off so it's just proud, so that when it tightens up on the surface of this, it's the plastic pressing on it and not the edge of the metal. I know you can buy such things, but let's give it a go making them. So in order to machine this, I'm going to have to hold it. I can't just clamp it in the 3-jaw because it'll wind its way back in. So I will drill and tap this slug of material so that I can wind this in and have it sticking out ever so slightly, and then we need to lock it off with something. I was thinking of counterboring behind and using one of these 1/4-inch Allen bits to hold it in place, and then have another little grub screw just to stop this from rotating, followed by a larger M10 grub screw to act as a backstop to stop it winding back. Right, assembly time. Let's put this grub screw in this end. Wind it back. Now I'm going to try this without the grub screw to pin the Allen key tool, just hoping that that is enough to clamp everything together. Right, so let's take a piece of this off. God, it's tough. Plan B. Of course, not being round, that doesn't want to go straight in, so let's sharpen it like a pencil. Taper down now. Hopefully that should be locatable. Oh, feels like it's gone in. Question now is how much do we leave? I'm going to go for about that. Try an unmarred face. Okay, that still feels like plastic. Right, that seems to work. Quite successful. I need to do that to the other three now. Oh. So that's the resulting end, mushroomed slightly, but that's sort of exactly what we want. That seemed to bite down on the metal quite nicely. I feel that it's, clamping wise should be fine. So I'm going to carry on and do that to the other two. Thank you, whoever it was, for the tip. Obviously you can go out and buy these, but where's the fun in that? Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.